We begin with a massive cyber attack involving BC healthcare websites. Up to 250,000 healthcare workers could now be exposed to identity theft and other issues after serious data breaches on 3 key sites. Our Penny Daflos is here now. So part of what's so concerning about this attack is they have no real sense of just how many people are affected here.
Yeah, and it's so hard to say because they're not exactly sure what's been taken or by whom. The Health Employers Association insists there hasn't been a cyber ransom demand, but they have notified police, the Privacy Commissioner, and the Canadian Centre for Cybersecurity while providing scant details to the public.
Many of the healthcare workers who apply to serve in BC hospitals, clinics, and care homes go through 3 key websites administered by the Health Employers Association of BC. Cyber attacks have now taken them offline with personal information, including social insurance numbers and passport information linked to 240,000 email addresses at risk.
I want to reassure everyone that we are working with cybersecurity and privacy experts.
HEA is the bargaining unit for all 200 public healthcare bodies and agencies that employ unionized workers as well as doctors.
At this time, we are not able to conclusively determine which information was involved. Out of an abundance of caution, we are acting as if all the information may have been involved.
Affected workers will get email notices and 2 free years of credit and cybersecurity monitoring through Equifax.
I want to be clear that there are no successful breaches on the BC government data systems. No patient information or no information in government systems have been compromised.
Hackers had access for an entire month, and HEA didn't notice till weeks later.
This could be simply kids who are messing around, or more likely it is some form of organised cyber criminals who could look to monetize the data in some way. That could be using it themselves to commit identity fraud, or it could be selling it on to others.
While the HEA is being tight-lipped about details, transit police and other Canadian and U.S. agencies have recently been victims of online criminals exploiting the MOVEit file transfer protocol.
I can't reveal any details of the actual cybersecurity incident at this point. It is still an active investigation, including law enforcement.
I think people want to know, is this the same tactic that's been used with other agencies, and was there a way to kind of foresee that you had a vulnerability of some kind?
I think I can say without breaching anything important that is not the vulnerability that was exploited.
Dick says they are still hiring much-needed healthcare workers, but this issue is obviously still slowing things down. While data breaches are very common, experts say this is another wake-up call so that companies and agencies need to take the risk seriously and make sure all staff are aware of best practices, Nafisa.